gente, how's it going? My name is Suzy, and in this video, we're going to be doing a brand new move called the side Suzy Q. Without further ado, que comience la fiesta! Alright, mi gente, straight into it. Let's start out with some motuno. Nice and slow. 5, 6, some motuno. And 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, one more. And 1. Here we go. Hold it right here. Right now we're on 7. We're going to use that 8 beat now to help us rotate to face 3 o'clock, like so. This is 8, then 1, 2, 3. So that right there, that 1, 2, 3 is our regular Suzy Q step that we learned previously, okay? Now, on the 4, I'm going to use this right foot to go and face 9 o'clock like so. 4, land on 5, open 6, cross 7. Let's try it again nice and slow with the left leg on 8. Here we go. So 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Basic. And 1, 2, 3. Allí nada más. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm if you haven't done so already. This helps me and the channel tremendously so we can reach out to others and share the love of dance. Muchas gracias, and back to the video. Alright guys, so when doing the side Suzy Q, there's a very important thing I want you guys to really pay attention to. So look at my feet right here. I'm going to go nice and slow. So I'll start with some motuno. I go 1, 2, 3, watch. 5, 6, 7. Notice my foot is slightly placed at an angle. This is going to help my rotation with that 8 to be much easier to land on that 1, 2, and I hold that 3. Same thing here. My left leg is now pointing at that slight angle right here, okay? To make my 4 much easier. So 4, then land 5, 6, 7. Now on 7, I repeat that again, pointing that right foot at a slight angle to make my 8 much easier. So 8, 1, 2, 3, pointing that angle, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right. Make sure you keep your steps nice and tight and keep adjusting the angle to make it much easier for yourself. All right. So let's try this in half time with music and then at full speed. All right. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, half time. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. One more basic. One more. And 1, 2, 3. Side Suzy Q. Here we go. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Double time. Here we go. And 1. Side Suzy Q. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Basic. 1. Let's try that one more time. You ready? 5, 6. Side Suzy Q. 1. Basic. Y allí nada más. Alright, mi gente, this will conclude it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe for more educational but entertaining videos and check out the cool playlists of all the previous moves that we learned. Muchas gracias. My name is Timba Heat. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, my friends. Y hasta la próxima.